Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Haley here at the Mountain View Cottage, and we are continuing with my laundry room makeover, and this is part 3. I quickly just want to thank today's video sponsor, which is Milton & King, who provided this beautiful wallpaper for me. And today I will finally show you the final reveal of this space with everything put together. I'm going to install 3 shelves here above my washer and dryer, and then I am going to add labels and clean and put all of my laundry products in beautiful canisters, glass jars, amber jars, and you will get to see all of that in this video today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for being here. I will link all the products that I used and where I found them in the description of this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this space finally come together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video series as much as I enjoyed creating this space for you to see. It is completed here and you can see what it looks like now that it is all done. I want to thank Milton & King once again for sponsoring this video series and sending me this beautiful wallpaper. This space would not have turned out the same without this black and white floral wallpaper. It gives it a very fun and feminine touch. Because the laundry room is my domain, I kind of had full control of this space, and it was so fun to do something so fun and beautiful. I also had so much fun being able to choose the paint color, which I went with pink because once again, I had full control over this space, which is pretty rare in a house where you share rooms with everybody and there's so many kids and so many opinions, but the laundry room is my space and I had so much fun making it my own. I used this 2-gallon glass jar for my laundry detergent powder. I love this because I can fit in a huge Tide box of laundry detergent inside this, and then I don't have to save the box with any leftovers. The whole contents of the box fits in there. And then these baskets on top of my refrigerator, they are so durable and amazing from the Container Store. The amber jars are half-gallon jugs, and I also love those because of the storage capacity. I'll link everything in the description of this video, but I hope you enjoyed watching this. I had so much fun creating this space for you, and I will be back with more spaces to complete in my home in the near future. Thanks so much for watching.